2,000 silid-aralan ang nabuksan na. Hihigitan pa natin ito dahil talagang nakakaawa ang ating mga mag-aaral. Hindi na natin dapat nabibitin ang oras nila sa klase dahil sa kakulangan ng classroom. Katuwang ng pribadong sektor, sisikapin nating madadagdagan pa ng 40,000 silid-aralan bago matapos itong administrasyon.
Short reaction lang, Sec.
Very good speech and a lot on education. So we're very happy. And I've never heard a president speak about education so much in a son. So, salamat.
Okay, let me go to classrooms. Ilan na po ang nagawang classroom ng DPWH for 2025? At ilan po yung projected na magagawa po ninyo for 2025?
Mr. Chairman, let me just get the information. Ito ba, no? Baba nito. So, for 2025 po, out of 1,700 na dapat gawin, 22 pa lang po ang completed at 882 po ang ongoing.
Okay, October na. Seka?
At meron pong 882 na not yet even started. So, it's a very deplorable rate of only 15.43%.
Exactly. So, ito po kasi yung